Welcome to my channel, dear students, and today we are going to take the further part of this lesson as we have done quite a part of this yesterday. So let's move towards reading and then we will discuss it. And suddenly, in a torrent of thoughts, too pressing to be put into words, Chips made answer to himself. These examinations and certificates and so on, what did they matter? And all this efficiency and up-to-dateness, what did that matter either? Now he's thinking about something which is certificates and exams, that there is no such importance of exams as Ralston is trying to give them. जितनी importance Ralston दे रहा है exams को कि बच्चों के marks अच्छे आने चाहिए, तो according to Mr. Chips, it is not only important to have good marks and good grades and to get good certificates, because if you do that and in that way you will just promote machines instead of good students and good people. And school will not be different than a factory when you are just focusing on getting good grades. So he was not in favor of that kind of teaching. The old gentlemanly traditions of family and broad acres were changing, as doubtless they were bound to. But instead of fighting them to form a genuine inclusive democracy of Duke and its men, Ralston was narrowing them upon the single issue of fat banking account. उस सोसाइटी का अब तक ब्रुकफील्ड का ट्रेडिशन था कि वहाँ से नवाब बन के निकलते थे. ऐसे ट्रेडिशन सिखाए जाते थे कि नोबिलिटी झलके या ऐसा फील हो कि ये किसी बड़े अच्छे बैकग्राउंड से आ रहे हैं. मैरिट पर बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस था, लेकिन एज अ हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन रैल्स्टन का फोकस सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस चीज़ पे था, दैट हाउ टू अर्न मोर मनी. देयर नेवर हैड बीन सो मैनी रिच मैन सन एट ब्रुकफील्ड. द स्पीचली गार्डन्स पार्टी वॉज लाइक एस्कॉट. बड़े बड़े शहरों में जैसे पार्टीज होती हैं वैसी उसने पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की. एंड ही मेट हिज वेल्दी फेलोज इन लंडन क्लब्स. वो क्लब्स में जाता था, अपने फेलोज से मिलता था, एंड ही gave them an opportunity that they can go there, they can get their children there, admitted there, because they could not get admission. बड़े बड़े जो फर्स्ट रैंक के कॉलेज या स्कूल थे जिनको वहाँ एडमिशन नहीं मिला, तो क्योंकि वो अमीर खानदान से थे, उन्होंने सोचा कि ठीक है, वी कैन कम हियर बिकॉज दिस इज अ गुड स्कूल ऑफ सेकंड रैंक. Now Mr. Chip thinks about those fellows that they were awful. Though others were decent enough, financiers, company promoters, bill manufacturers, all of them were very business-minded. Business से related लोग थे, जिनकी preferences जो थी और जिनकी orientation थी, वो इस चीज़ पे थी that how to get money making पे थी. One of them gave his son £5 a week pocket money. मिस्टर चिप सोचते हैं कि एक फादर जो अपने बच्चे को £5 वीक देता था, वो समझता है कि दिस आइडिया इज क्वाइट वल्गर एंड ऑस्टेंटेशियस, दिखावे से भरपूर है. ऑल द हेक्टिक रोटन राइपनेस ऑफ द एज, नो सेंस ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन. उस वक्त का ये तकाजा था कि फजूल हर्ची अरूज पे थी, वल्गैरिटी अरूज पे थी, और वो सब कुछ जो था रैल्स्टन इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाह रहा था अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन में. There was no sense of proportion. Proportion बोलते हैं इतदाल पसंदी को, जो कि ब्रुकफील्ड की एक खासियत थी. इनफैक्ट इन द टीचिंग एज वेल, स्टूडेंट्स को कोई भी एक चीज़ नहीं सिखाई जाती थी, सिर्फ हर सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस किया जाता था. एंड यू couldn't expect to test that sense of proportion by setting papers, granting certificates. And in such institution where everything is given in proportion, only focus cannot be on certificates and just paperwork. ऐसे इदारे जो वैल्यूज सिखाते हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एग्जाम्स पे और पेपर वर्क पे रिलाई नहीं करते हैं. ऑल दिस फ्लैश थ्रू हिज माइंड इन एन इंस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट एंड इंडिग्नेशन. ये सब वो सोच रहे थे जब उनके जहन में एक एहतजाजी कैफियत चल रही थी और एक सेंस ऑफ ऐसा फील कर रहे थे जैसे उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा तौहीन की गई है. And he did not say a word of it. He merely gathered his tattered gown together and with the umph walked for a few paces away. वो जैसे बोलते वक्त एक एक्सप्रेशन निकालते हैं, ऐसी आवाज़ें निकालते, वो उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं कहा, अपना गाउन उठाया और चल दिए. He had enough of this argument. At the door he turned and said, I don't intend to resign and you can do what you like about it. Now he plainly says that I'm not going to resign and I'm not afraid of you. You can do whatever you want to do. Looking back upon the sense in the calm perspective of a quarter of a century, Chips could find it in his heart to feel a little sorry for Ralston. Deep inside, he was a good person, as we all know. उसको बुरा भी लगता था Ralston के लिए. Particularly when, as it happened, Ralston had been in such complete ignorance of the forces he was dealing with. So for that matter, had Chipself himself, मतलब उसको अंदाजा नहीं था कि वो जिस शख्स से डीलिंग कर रहा है, he has that school Brookfield in himself very much. Brookfield को symbolize करता था. Neither had correctly estimated the toughness of Brookfield tradition and its readiness to defend itself and its defenders. उसको नहीं इल्म था कि अगर वो Brookfield के कल्चर्स को अपरूट करने की कोशिश करेगा, डैमेज करने की कोशिश करेगा, तो वो कामयाब नहीं होगा. For it had so chanced that a small boy waiting to see Ralston that morning had been listening outside the door. During the whole of the interview, he had been thrilled by it naturally and had told his friends. ये सारा इंसिडेंट एक बच्चा सुन रहा था जब वहाँ से गुजरा, उसने जाके अपने सारे fellows को बता दिया. Some of these, in a surprisingly short time, had told their parents, so that very soon it was common knowledge that Ralston had insulted Chips and had demanded his resignation. The amazing result was a spontaneous outburst of sympathy and partisanship such as Chips in his wildest dreams had never envisaged. मतलब बच्चों ने जाके जब अपने पेरेंट्स को बताया तो he got all the support for the parents as well, who had great love for Mr. Chips. क्योंकि जब आप इतना कुछ देते हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को तो रिटर्न में आपको मोहब्बत, प्यार और रिगार्ड तो मिलता है. So everyone was there to support Mr. Chips and nobody wanted him to resign. He found, rather to his astonishment, that Ralston was thoroughly improper. He was feared and respected but not liked. And in this issue of Chips, the dislike rose to a point where it conquered fear and demolished even respect. Yes, everybody used to fear Ralston, but nobody actually liked it. उसको लोग पसंद नहीं करते थे, जो उससे डरते तो थे बच्चे. लेकिन जब उसने ये देखा कि उनकी नापसंदीदगी जो है उस पे उनका गुस्सा हावी आ गया, क्योंकि वो Ralston पे बहुत ज़्यादा बरहम हो रहे थे कि उनको ये बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा कि उनके एक सीनियर टीचर को उसने इस तरह से इंसल्ट किया. तो उनका जो खौफ था वो भी ख़त्म हो गया. There was talk of having some kind of public riot in the school if Ralston succeeded in banishing Chips. Everyone was ready कि अगर उसने ऐसा किया तो हम उसके अगेंस्ट खड़े हो जाएंगे. The masters, many of them young men who agreed that Chips was hopelessly old-fashioned, rallied round him nevertheless because they hated Ralston's slave-driving and saw in the old veteran a likely champion. बहुत से लोग जो उसके साथ भी थे वो भी उसके अगेंस्ट हो गए क्योंकि उसका एटीट्यूड ऐसा था that nobody actually liked him. And one day the chairman of the governors, Sir John Rivers, visited Brookfield, ignored Ralston and went direct to Chips. बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर आता है एक दिन और इंस्टेड ऑफ मीटिंग Ralston मिस्टर चिप्स के पास जाता है और क्या बोलता है. चिप्स वुड से टेलिंग द स्टोरी टू मिसेस विकेट फॉर द डज़न्थ टाइम. बहुत दफा मिस्टर चिप्स को बताता है ये स्टोरी और वो उनको बताता है कि ही वॉज अ वेरी ब्रिलियंट बॉय इन क्लास. वो भी उसका स्टूडेंट था क्योंकि उसका ओल्ड स्टूडेंट था तो वो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा रिगार्ड दे रहा था. I remember he could never master his verbs, and now I see in the papers they have made him a baronet. It just shows you वो बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन गया. Sir John had said on that morning in 1908. अब हम ये देखते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या कहा मिस्टर चिप्स को उनका बाजू पकड़ते हुए. Chips, old boy, I hear you have been having the deuce of row with Ralston. आपकी झड़प हुई है Ralston के साथ. Sorry to hear about it for your sake, but I want you to know that governors are with you to a man. Governors आपके साथ हैं, and we don't like the fellow a great deal. हमें वो आदमी बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. Very clever and all that, but a bit too clever if you ask me. Claims to have doubled the school's endowment funds by some monkeying on stock exchange. उसने कुछ ऊंच नीच करके कुछ घपला करके स्कूल के फंड्स को तो बढ़ा लिया. मंकिंग बोलते हैं जो ब्लैक मनी, जो गलत तरीके से पैसा कमाते हैं. Dare say he has, but a chap like that wants watching. इस तरह के इंसान का ध्यान रखा जाना चाहिए. So if he starts chuckling his weight about you, tell him very politely that he can go to the devil. वो जहन्नुम में जा सकता है अगर वो तुम्हें कहीं भी जाने का बोले. You don't have to go anywhere. The governors don't want you to resign. Brookfield wouldn't be sane without you, and they know it. We all know it. You can stay here till you are 100 if you feel like it. Indeed, it's our hope that you will. तुम यहाँ तक जब तक चाहे रह सकते हो. Even if you are 100 years old, we have no problem because we know that you are so essential for the Brookfield that Brookfield is nothing without you. So such is the dedication and his sacrifice for the school that now the governors of school don't actually want to imagine that school should go on without Mr. Chips. So such was his dedication and work to his profession, to his students and the school itself. So when you give so much, so it is not possible that you can't get anything. So that was the episode between Ralston and Mr. Chips, and it was a very interesting one, and definitely Mr. Chips was successful in front of Ralston. So your today's question for assignment is, your question number 1 is, what did governor say to Mr. Chips? And the question number 2 is, what was the answer of Mr. Chips to Ralston on his retirement? So these are your 2 questions for today's assignment, and tomorrow we will meet with the lesson number 12. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.